Welcome to this Meyer educational video, providing business solutions and bright ideas. Today's video will explain how to pay your suppliers or vendors in PeopleSoft. In this segment, we will be explaining the correct way to pay your suppliers or vendors in PeopleSoft. This process is called executing the Pay Cycle Manager and the Pay Cycle process. When executing the Pay Cycle process, you begin by navigating to the Pay Cycle Manager page. Here, you will see that you have two options. Option 1 is the payment selection. Option 2 is the payment selection and creation. When running payment selection, you can select the payments to view the information associated with those payments by clicking on the drop-down arrow and choosing a server name. Note that running the creation mode would not give you the ability to review these payments within PeopleSoft, nor the ability to be processed for payment. To execute a payment selection, begin by clicking the down arrow on the server where you can select a server and then click the Process button. The status has changed to Running. A status of No Work indicates that no payments have been selected. Note, the link to the Process Monitor page is where you can view the actual process being run. Navigate back to the Pay Cycle Manager page by clicking on the Go Back to the Pay Cycle Manager link. Then, select the Pay Cycle name that you just executed, and you will see that the status now indicates Selected. This means there have been payments that have been selected to be paid. To get the details of these payments, click on the Details link, which will take you to the Pay Cycle Details page. Clicking Search will retrieve all of the payments that will be paid in this pay cycle. Payment actions are options to choose from for these payments. The payment actions options are as follows. Exclude. Excludes the payment from the current pay cycle. Hold. Holds the payment from being processed in the pay cycle. The payment will not be selected by a pay cycle again until you release the hold. Hold and Separate. Places the scheduled payment on hold and separates from any other payments to be paid to the same supplier from the same bank account and payment method. Separate is separating a payment by creating each voucher as a separate payment for a vendor that has multiple vouchers. Select Separate if you want the voucher to appear on separate payments. Once you have verified this information, you can navigate to the bottom of the page to see all the paid amounts. To pay these vouchers, click on the Pay Cycle Manager link. This will take you back to the Pay Cycle Manager page, where you will see that you have two options. Option 1 is to reset the pay cycle if you do not want to make any of these payments or wish to expedite additional payment. Option 2 is to create the payments by selecting the server, then click the Process button to kick off the payment creation process. Thank you for watching. This PeopleSoft educational video was presented by Meyer. Meyer, creating business solutions with bright ideas.